In this video, we are going to see how we can create this beautiful animation effect of any title that you can give to your presentation. It adds so much depth and make the presentation look so beautiful. So let's get started and let's see how we can create this awesome effect of the slideshow. So let's open the PowerPoint, and from the Home tab, we will select a blank presentation because we are going to create it from scratch. Click on Insert and click on Pictures. Now I have downloaded a picture already, but you can get whatever nature picture you want from the pixels.com. So here is the picture. I just named it as peace, and you can place it towards your left. Now, if you expand the picture like this, it will stretch it and it doesn't look nice. So either what you can do is just increase the size like this so that it increases the overall size of the picture. Don't worry if it gets out of the original slide size, doesn't matter, but you have to do it this way. And if the corner is still there, what you can do is just here, you can just right click on format background, and we can use in the color, use the eyedropper, and we can choose any dark color. In this case, we will choose the one near black. And what you can also do is just click on the picture format and you can crop it if you want to. Use it according to the size of the presentation. Then click on the crop, and now you have the perfect picture. You can align it a little bit if you want to, but just expand the overall size of the picture and not from the corners. Otherwise, it will stretch the picture like this. Now what we'll do is just click on Insert and Table, and we need a single row table of 10 rows. So here we have 10, but make sure that you are using the latest version of Microsoft Office. Otherwise, you can get the 7 option, not 10. After that, what you can do is just increase the tables by just going to the table layout, and you can insert towards right 1, 2, 3, and you will get more borders or more tables. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I have them complete. So let's go to the corner, set it like this, and expand it all the way to the bottom. Okay, now what we'll do, we just select the table, go to the table design. In the shading, we will choose the color that we have used recently and just start from the beginning. Go to the shading, select this color. What we can also do is to change the shading for all of them, just select it from the corner and drag all the way down or all the way up and choose these colors. Now just select the first one. The transparency here is set to 0%. That's fine. Let's select the second one. You can see the cursor blinking here. Transparency, set it to 10% and just increase to 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on and so forth. I'll just quickly do it for you. And once we have done that, what we can do is just remove the borders all around. Click on no borders, or just select all of them and click on no borders. And it should look like this. Once you click anywhere else, and then we can insert a text box, a large title with some details. Let's make it white. I have used Arial Black 48. Let's increase it to 54. Okay, insert. Let's insert a text box down here. And we can basically generate any text of 2-3 lines about the nature. So here it is. Let's copy and paste that. Let's make it white. And I have used this light condense font, bench shrift. You can use that or whatever you like. Now, one thing what we need to do before, we will do it afterwards, like here, right click, duplicate, make the first slide without text and the second slide should contain text. Now in the first slide, since the border should expand, the table should expand, we will reduce the size of the table and make it a little narrower. After that, just hold the shift key and hold it from the corner and move it backwards like this. Don't worry if it moves out of the slide. Let me just show you again. Once you compress the size of them, you have to head over to the corner of that borders where you see this 4 arrows. Then you have to hold it with the shift key, and then you can easily move it backwards like this. Make sure it's exactly in the opposite direction in the black and white. Now what you can do is just increase the size of the picture so that it can fit in the center. And just remember to always expand the picture overall size and not expand it from these corners. You can just hold from the corners and not from the center points. Just make it a perfect center even after expanding the size like this. We can also use the align option here, but I've just adjusted it manually. And in the second slide, what you'll do is just go to the transitions and select morph, and that's it. Let's hit the slideshow. Don't just select the first slide, only add the morph effect to the second slide. Head over to the first slide. Let's generate the slideshow. Here's the picture, and here is your beautiful presentation. So that's how you do it. By the way, guys, you will get this presentation with the description of this video, so just get it from the resources section. But that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.